Hello, this is Danielle from Mickey's Girls, and I am so excited to tell you about our Disneyland trip. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, hit that notification bell, please subscribe and tell a friend. We would really appreciate it. So now I'm going to let you know about me and my daughter's first ever Disneyland trip. We have been Disney World girls for the past 5 or 6 years. And so Disneyland was always somewhere that we wanted to go. So we finally got a chance to go. So when we pulled up, it was beautiful. We stayed at Paradise Pier, and it was a very, very beautiful resort. So I pull up and I walk into the resort, and guess what I see? Walking into the hotel, and this is what you see. Wow. That is so crazy. You want to go take a picture? Go! Go over there with Stitch. Oh, there. And we haven't even made it to the parks yet. This is so awesome. KJ? That is so cool. After I had finished checking in, of course, they give you the first visit buttons. We've never had any Disneyland first visit buttons, so these are very, very special to us. So we have these, very, very nice. They also gave us our room keys, which come in this envelope here. Your key to the Magic Disneyland. So my son went with us also, so we got 2 of these keys. Very, very cute. I love these. I will be keeping these forever. So we were concierge. We stayed club level. So they gave us a sheet, and it pretty much just let us know when they would be serving the food, when it would be out, the different categories of the food, that there were DVDs that we could rent. That was really cool for our room. So this was very, very useful and very, very helpful for our trip. They also gave us a map of the parks. Let's see, no, this is a map of, a map of the parks, of the property. Paradise Pier, all that they had to offer was also on here. So that was really, really a good thing to have, so we wouldn't get lost and we know where we were. And they also gave us this family activities for the hotels of Disneyland. So this let us know everything that was going on, all the special activities that may be going on while we were there. Something that I really wanted to do, but it was at like at 8 o'clock in the morning, was to make the washcloth creatures. I thought that would be fun because the week that we went, it was rainy, and so we didn't do the parks on Thanksgiving, but I wanted to do some other things. But the washcloth creatures were at like 8:15 in the morning. But anyway, this was really good. Also on the back, they let you know what movies will be playing, what days. So this was really, really good to have on the trip. Also, one great thing, before I go into the room tour, next I'm going to show you the room tour. But before we do that, when I went to concierge, I found the cutest. The food was great in concierge, just to let you know. Everything was excellent. There was wine and champagne to be had for your 11 to 4:30 eating session, and also your 5 to 7 eating session. So that was really, really nice. But I found these while I was making me some cocoa, and I got a whole bunch of them. I don't even want to eat them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. They're Mickey sugar cubes. How cute are these? When I saw those, I was like, oh my gosh, they're Mickey sugar cubes. They are adorable. So I've got like 5 of them in here, and I'm gonna have to use them eventually. But as of right now, I'm not gonna use them. I'm gonna keep them in here. I'm gonna keep them shut up in this little plastic bag that I brought them in. Disney at its finest. So next, we're gonna show you our room tour. This was, we were on level 13, room 1330 of Paradise Pier. We had a premium view. So I hope you enjoy. All right, we are at Paradise Pier, staying at 1330. Let's go in and check it out. Hello. So when you first walk into the room, you have your closet area here. Very nice. Then you have your coffee, tea area here, 2 complimentary bottles of water, and your welcome card. Then you have your 2 beds with the Pixar Pier balls. Very cute. Your television, nice size television is here. Sofa, which also turns into a bed. Your Mickey Mouse lamp. This is adorable. Pictures on the walls. Your desk area. But this isn't the greatest thing about it. We have a premium view, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Can you believe this? This is amazing. This is going to be so gorgeous tonight. We can see the parks from our room. Beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Disneyland at its finest. So I'm going to give you another quick view of the room.
Hey guys,
everything is so beautiful in here. It's not a very, very up-to-date room, but it's nice. It's very presentable. Oh, I forgot about this. surfboard lamp. Everything is so presentable. Everything is so clean. Everything is so nice. It's just Disney. All right, we are about to hit the parks. So we will see you later.
We should hit the parks. We should go to them.
That's right. Oh, forgot about the bathroom. Let's check that out. So this is the bathroom. It has the wallpaper, but it's still very nice. And of course, these wonderful Disney H2O products. My favorite. I love these products so much. Very nice. Even the bathroom is really nice as well. Shower. I am loving everything about this resort. And we just got here. All right. So, there y'all. Look at everyone. We'll see you guys in the parks. So you just match what floor you like to go on. I want to go to the lobby, and it tells you what elevator to go to. We'll have to go to elevator C. Beautiful Mickey lamp in each little entry level. So let's wait on our elevator. Elevator C. When it opens, you have your surfboard for you. No buttons. You just match your close the door, and we start to go down. Just beautiful pictures all throughout the elevator. Happy Thanksgiving!